fine. It's wrapped head to toe in aluminum. Oh, even the undercarriage.
Oh, smells good. What you cooking?
White chicken chili. You hungry? How are you doing that? I did it from home. We're just reheating. Super easy. How do you do that? Just because you're camping doesn't mean you have to just eat sausages, hot dogs, or cheeseburger. I like to prepare white chicken chili for winter camping at home before we go, so that when you are out in the woods, you can hang out, be with your family, and not worry about cooking. All you do is reheat. I like to, at home, do it in an Instapot, which makes the broth, I feel like, the most important part. It's healthy for your entire family. I swear it keeps everyone from getting sick. So you want bones, and then I'm gonna use the meat once the stock's done. Parsley, onions, skins and everything. Celery, turmeric root, mushroom, ginger root, tomatoes, more onion. I don't put carrots in my stock because it makes it sweeter. I like it more on the savory side. Get those minerals going. Fill it up with water. Into the Instapot. Soup broth, 4 hours. It's been 4 hours, and now we're gonna make the white chicken chili. Chopped onion, sauteing. Add the meat. Next up, navy beans. Fresh oregano. Strain in the bone broth. Add diced chilies. Bay leaf, garlic powder. Paprika, cumin. Bone broth, navy beans blended. It makes the broth creamy. See the creaminess? Add corn vegetable mix. Salt. And the last ingredient, lime juice. Gonna let all this simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Put it in this old pot. Freeze it, take it camp, put it on your camp stove. Easy campy meal. Kick those hot dogs to the curb. Sorry, honey. White chicken chili. It's your white chicken chili.
Ooh. Oh, I love that new baby smell.
Okay. Ugh.
zoom in.